So we'll be learning how to bring in other presentation softwares into OBS. Presentation softwares like FreeShow, Pro Presenter, Easy Worship. So for this, we are going to be using FreeShow. So make sure that in FreeShow that it is set to output NDI. The NDI is enabled because we are now using NDI to send this output. So we check the name FreeShow NDI, check the resolution that it is being sent out in, and as far as it sends in NDI, the next step is to now go over to your OBS, create a scene, and call the scene FreeShow. And call this in FreeShow. In FreeShow, you now create an NDI source. If you don't have this NDI source showing in your own, it means that you have not yet installed the NDI plugin, which we have already done in our previous video. So if you have not yet gone through the videos, go through them to see how to install the OBS plugins. There are two different ways to install the plugins, either via the application or via copying the files into folders. So when you are done, you restart and continue from here that you see this NDI source. When you click on it, you see in source name, you open it, you see our FreeShow NDI. If we are sending from another PC, it will be answering the PC's name. But since it is the same PC, it's answering the PC's name. So in the front, always know where a source is coming from, because whenever you enter NDI ecosystem, you work with sources with names that might be identical, but with the PC name where it is coming from in front, you'll be able to differentiate where each feed is from. So when you bring it in, press OK. So and align it very well. So now this is our feed. To bring it in our cameras, all you have to do is you go to the camera and bring it as a scene. Automatically it comes up here, comes up to the camera source. If it is too bulky for you, there are other ways to make it in such a way that everything is in one. You just bring in only one scene inside the cameras. Okay, so that is it for. So the same way we did for FreeShow, that is how we bring in the YouTube, the Facebook. I said the YouTube, the Facebook. That's the same way we bring in the Pro Presenter, the Easy Worship into our OBS presentation. That way we'll have, as far as they are running through NDI, they all have NDI outputs enabled. You can bring them into OBS. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.